So this is how U of U creation yoga happens. We create things. We create order out of chaos. Create usable things out of unusable space. We're recycling, reusing, composting what should turn back into dirt, and reusing in the best way we can imagine the things that don't. We're using our body weight as resistance. We're stretching and incorporating the principles of yoga into daily life. When we do that in everything that we do, we end up with a more desirable product. That product being our lives. Imagine everything as a pixel. We have pixels in a picture that make up the whole. And when we polish each pixel the way we find most favorable, we end up with a desired picture. And that picture, it can be a masterpiece, or it can be a mistake. If we're doing it without intention, if we're just doing it haphazardly, and we're not usually getting all the benefits that are available. This is just one way that you can incorporate workout into your day-to-day routine. It's just by making it a little bit more difficult. Make sure you're doing stretching. Right there, it didn't capture it on video, but I did a back stretch, a backward bend, because compensatory stretching is really important. And the cat, it came and had to see what was going on. But if we do things different each way we're doing it, we're not overexerting ourselves in one way. You see a lot of people who work in an office and they're doing repetitive motion. And right now I'm laying bricks, and if I were to be doing that in a repetitive motion, I'd probably end up with carpal tunnel. I'd probably end up with certain disorders that are associated with doing the same thing over and over and over again. And a disorder that many people are facing is stress, because they're doing the same thing over and over again, expecting a different result. So if we can shift our perspectives, we'll be able to shift the image that we're building in our life. And if we use those different perspectives to incorporate different action, we'll probably like the results. Anyways, I was able to get these bricks for free. Somebody didn't want them, and but they work out pretty good for me. So here we are.